Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can see your full friend requests on like Roblox, and basically how you can see what games they added you from, or for instance they didn't add you from a game, maybe they just saw your username and they just added you. But basically if you go to the more section here, go to the connections area and then select this button over here. It says connection requests 343, and you can see all of it. You're also able to see where they have added you from. So for instance, this one's from Plants vs. Brain Rots. Some of them are from Just Impress, some of them are from Fish It. I don't really accept a lot of these unless I did talk to them, or something like that, or if like they have mutual connections with me. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can see your full friend request, because you cannot see it from your notification. It just shows like some of it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!